Hey everyone, it's Christelle from Permacrafters, and we have some really exciting news to share with you. We have teamed up with 140 course creators and authors for the next 9 days to bring you a bundle of e-courses and ebooks about off-grid homesteading, and we're offering our own e-course on herbal remedies for common ailments. That's right, our giant course is in the bundle. It's a 60-hour program that includes our 300-page ebook, and it is just one of the 141 resources offered in the Sustainable Living bundle. The top leaders in the homesteading world are here, and I guarantee you will recognize some of these creators, like Herbal Academy that's offering their foraging course, our friends at Wild Abundance who are offering their holistic garden planning course, Fungi Academy with their Mycology 101 course, Homestead Hafsa with her backyard chickens course, and Rebecca Desnos with her book Botanical Colors at Your Fingertips. This bundle gives you unprecedented access to professional tools and resources for living independently and sustainably at a price that exists nowhere else. You'll gain lifetime access to a massive library of material to build a huge variety of self-sufficiency skills. Topics include how to grow organic food, growing microgreens, growing mushrooms, sourdough bread making, caring for chickens, worm composting, beekeeping, farm-to-table cooking, preserving food through canning and fermentation, wilderness survival skills, foraging for wild edible plants, natural dyeing with plants, home birth, sovereign womanhood, homeschooling, herbal remedies, tiny house living, and homestead income. There are years of wisdom at your fingertips in this comprehensive vault of resources curated for you to build your resilience. This is a never-before-seen bundle that is worth over $6,400, and for a really limited time, it's available for just 50 bucks. That's over 99% savings and comes out to just 35 cents per resource. The only reason this is possible is because of the power of collaboration. It's a win for you, and it's a win for us for the huge exposure that it gets us. The last bundle we partook in reached 15 million people. And yeah, purchasing just one of these resources individually would cost more than this entire bundle. Our Herbal Remedies course typically costs $2.99, so even if you go through just one product in the bundle, the investment already makes sense. You get immediate access to download all the ebooks and gain lifetime access to the courses. The only catch is that our offer expires on September 25th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's zoom in on some of these excellent courses in the bundle. I can't showcase all 141 resources, so I only chose a few. The first is the Foraging course by Herbal Academy. In it, you'll learn how to forage common edible plants like burdock, chickweed, hairy bittercress, purslane, and the course covers how to incorporate wild foods into your diet and preserving herbs. It even has guest speakers like my former teacher, Rebecca from Blood and Spice Bush. The next course is Holistic Garden Planning, taught by another former teacher of mine, Natalie Bogwalker from Wild Abundance. This 2-hour video course covers where and how to lay out your permaculture garden, what and how to plant, and how to start a garden from grass. Another amazing gardening course is the Fresh Food Challenge. I actually purchased this course myself several years ago, and it's the entire reason that I managed to jumpstart my garden during the pandemic. Stacy teaches you how to grow $400 worth of food in 40 days, and her instructions answered my every question. I highly recommend it. Another great set of courses is the Simple Sourdough course and the Sourdough Mini Magic course. These bakers teach you how to activate your starter, make your dough, fold, score, and bake your perfect sourdough bread loaf. The bundle doesn't only include e-courses, it also includes ebooks. The incredible Rebecca Desnos is sharing her Botanical Colors at Your Fingertips ebook in this bundle. I have been so inspired by her work to naturally dye fabrics, and I've been using her tips all summer to dye with soy milk and black tea and wildflowers and more. This book is a treat. And of course, there's our own course on herbal remedies for common ailments, to which you gain lifetime access. It includes 3 hours of video lessons on how to use medicinal plants to make tinctures, decoctions, syrups, herbal lozenges, steam inhalations, gargles, poultices, compresses, salves, and a lot more. We've gathered the most valuable information about making plant preparations to address colds and pain and indigestion and anxiety and trouble sleeping and skin issues, and we teach you everything step by step in our video tutorials, and you have quizzes along the way. It includes our 300-page ebook that was gorgeously designed by the prominent Peruvian artist Caro Arevalo. There are so many other amazing classes in the bundle, but it would take me hours to highlight all of them. Hopefully this short overview helps you realize the high quality of these courses and ebooks and what they look like. You get 140 top-notch resources for just 50 bucks. It's a beautiful gift to yourself to learn self-sufficiency skills and how to live in harmony with the earth. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. This bundle has gone above and beyond our expectations. You're in for a treat. So this deal only lasts 9 days, so make sure to sign up in time because it's a lot of organization to get 141 course creators on board, and we aren't bringing this bundle back. So yeah, I really hope to connect with you this week on our student forum, and I'll see you soon.